Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing our analysis for GBPJPY. If you watched my video 2 days ago, I told you guys that this particular pair was going to fall and reach this particular area which I want to call a new demand zone. Okay, but I drew this line 2 days ago and told you guys that this line can also be valid, that I was not really expecting the pair to fall particularly to this point, that it can still reach this particular point and reverse, and that's what we're saying. So yesterday, actually, when I was doing my analysis, we're at this particular point, we're at this point, but we saw how that yesterday again, when prices came to this particular zone, which is now a supply zone, or what I would call a sell zone, or you might still call it a resistance zone, prices still fell back down to the downside. So this was the first time, right? Because this was a very important zone when I was trading. I told you guys that this zone was valid, and I gave free signals 2 days ago on this particular zone. I told you guys to sell, yeah, and close around this area. But even though I closed early, but this particular zone was a very good zone. But now we are seeing that this zone now became a supply zone. So when prices fell below this particular point, it came and hit here. This is the first time. It came down, rose up to this area again. The second time, it came down. The bulls pushed the market up to this area again for the third time. Then now it has fallen completely and it has gone to what I'll call the new demand zone. So that's what's happening right now. GBPJPY is trading in a bearish trend right now, and it's actually right now at what I'll call a demand zone. So this is actually a support area. If I was in this area, I'll be looking for buys actually, but I'll have to wait for the market news, because the market news right now for the non-farm payrolls and also the unemployment rate, these things are also going to move the GBP pair. So you can't just be trading like careless. You have to wait after the news before you trade, or you are trading during the news. So I mostly trade during the news because I like trading gold during the news. And if you traded with us yesterday in our group, you've made some very good money, because I gave some free signals in the group, and that's pretty much it. You know, like we just roll sometimes, like we enjoy ourselves, and that's just pretty much it. So as of now, if I want to give any predictions for the GBPJPY, I'll just say for now I'll wait till after the news, okay, or I will trade during the news. It all depends on you, but as of now, looking at this particular situation, I'll have to wait to see the reaction at this particular zone. Even though right now it might look like he's trying to go to the upside, I can't just trust it like that. I can't trust it like that, because right now we may not even see it really go to this area again. It might probably go to another area and just fall back down, because so far for the past 3 days it has just been bouncing off this particular point. So I think it will not be able to go again to that particular point before falling back down. So what are my analysis for today? I'll just say wait after the news, watch the reaction at this particular area, and we'll know what to do next for the GBPJPY. But if you follow my trade some days back and you bought at this particular zone, you'll be fine. But so far the overall trend is a downtrend, yeah, as of now. So if prices are really able to break this particular point, this particular area, then we're expecting it to fall to the downside. Yeah, something like this. It will fall to the downside. But first of all, it will fall and react at this area before going further to the downside. So that's just pretty much it for today. What do you think about it? Leave your thoughts in the comment section. You want to join our group, I'll leave the links in the description. If you want to contact us, I'll leave the links in the description. So with that said, thanks for watching. God bless you. Bye.